Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way how to get started by adding in a specific QR code for your Google form in just a few simple steps, and how to do the perfect way to do this process. So first of all, what I need to do is to get my Google form shareable linked. So the first and most important step is to get the correct link for your form. This is the link that people will be redirected when they scan your QR code. So basically what we wanted to do, of course, is to create a QR code so we can send people into any specific form, which in this case should be this one. So as you can see, here is my order request, for example. Here's my product, and here's my link. So what I need to do, of course, is to open, of course, my Google form linked. Once you have opened, then click into the option of the upper right corner that says send. When you choose this option, you have a lot of elements that we can choose. In this case, you want to be focusing into the option that says the link icon. If you wanted to, you can shorten the URL. This is to make this a little bit more, let's say, formable. But in this case, I don't have to worry about that because we wanted to get the full link of it, so we can have as much information as we can possibly can, and not to have any crash of that. So I'm going to hit into copy to the clipboard. Now, to get started, we can use a free QR code generator. But in this case, I wanted to be a little bit more descriptive than that. So for that, I'm going to be using Canva, for example. Canva is a really great application that can be helping you to create and connect a lot of steps totally for free. So you can go into canva.com. I'm going to hit into create. Now here, once I am here into create, I'm going to click into the option that says create. And I choose to go for an Instagram post, for example. And once I am in here, what I'm going to be doing here is just to give a little bit of elements. Let's say, for example, that I go for like something like this. I select this product. I choose this element. And there we go. Now with this information, what I can do, let's say that I click into a text and I put scan me. Like this. So what I have to do now is to add my QR code to make this a little bit more, let's say, friendly, right? So once I have my text and all of that, I think that I just need my actual QR code. For that, let's click into element once again and hit into QR. Now QR is going to be giving us an actual application of the QR code frame. It says please paste the QR code, and I click into customize to change the actual colors out of it. In my case, I think that I'm going to stick around with the black and white because it's a really great code. And I'm going to make a margin out of full. Margin is what is outside the actual QR code. And it might not look really well, but I can totally suggest you to add a really great margin from 2 out of 5, because this would be much more easier to scan. So when I clicked in my actual code, I hit into edit, open, and I can customize the margin and I update the code. If you want to change your URL, just simply go back to this project, click into the QR, click into edit, and click into the URL so you can delete and try to use another URL. And then what's going to happen is that's going to be changing the actual QR code. And then of course what you need to do is to hit into the option that says update the code, so you are actually good to go. Once I finished out of it, I think that the last thing that I just need to do is to let's say that I just go for clothes, graphics. I select something really easy, for example this one, and I put the right in here. If you wanted to just add, for example, something for your background, I can suggest you to not put anything let's say around your QR code, even though it looks really great. But what I need to do is to just give all of this space for my people to use this full QR code, that they can just use them for scanning. So hit into the option that says show, hit into download once again, and your QR code should be created in no time. There are more applications that you can try them out here inside Canva. For example, there's the section that says application, look out for QR, and there's the Unicode QR, there's a Unibranch, and there's so much more, so you can try them out totally for free. So guys, with this being said, we have now reached the very end of the video, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools, how to get started with QR codes and more applications from GoGo. Thank you once again. See you guys next time.